You guys already know this video is gonna be lit because it is I, E-Man, and
PTV, King PTV. You're not ready for this term.
Oh my days. PTV, King TV.
Yeah, King PTV. PTV. I have my own channel too.
I'll link it down in the description section. This is my sister, bro.
You're related.
Yeah, basically she knows about Apple more than I do. I started this video off by myself and she was in the corner telling me blah 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 blah. I was like, you know what, yeah, I can't be asked. You just come in and
join the video.
Just do the thing, bro. Anyway, so today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch SE, which is a bit weird to me because I've never heard that Apple actually do an SE model. Obviously, on the iPhones they do the SE model as well, which is more of the the cheaper version, but
more affordable.
Yeah, and I'm gonna talk about it.
He's gonna let me do a little talking.
Yeah.
So guys, so far at Apple there is the Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, Series 4, Series 5, Series 6, Series 7.
All them things.
So yeah, all of them things there. So the SE is different from the Series 1s and Series 2 because it's the much cheaper version and it's just built a little bit different. So the S7 is much more expensive, got more of an expensive look, feel. But if you're just a student like me, you ain't trying to spend too much, it's just an additional to your wrist, I say the SE is best for you. It's just here for me to check my phone when I'm not with it, when I'm out, when I don't want to take my phone, and when I want to work and maintain focus. But if you already have a Apple Watch and it's working for you, I say get the expensive one.
Why are you talking like on your chat?
I do this on my channel, man. I'm a natural.
You're talking like white person, yeah? We're all black hair. Why? Why are you talking like this for?
In case we have white audios now.
Anyway.
No more further ado, we're going into the unboxing.
Anyway, this is the space grey aluminum case. Well, the actual shell of it is space grey and is 40 millimeters.
Yeah, small wrist.
Yeah, man.
Also, guys, just to mention, it has cellular, so you can buy an Apple Watch with or without cellular.
I don't even know what cellular is. So
see, that's why I had to jump in the video. So with cellular means you can use your Apple Watch without an iPhone, but you need an eSIM, so you have to connect the watch to your phone.
eSIM? What's that eSIM?
Yeah, so like a pay-as-you-go SIM. Yeah. So you have to set it up with your provider. So if you don't have a contract and your pay-as-you-go,
wait. So eSIM,
yeah.
you get the SIM card from your
No, it's the same SIM card you have.
Oh, so the same SIM card,
yeah.
But you have to set it up.
It connects to your SIM card, so it just wires.
Oh, so what do you mean? You have to.
Weird.
You need to speak to your
provider, to get them to wire data into here, so that if I don't have my phone, this will still work. But then without it, I need my phone to make it work. Basically.
So basically, it's like instead of having two SIM card, one in here.
Yeah, you only have one.
It kind of works like a Wi-Fi kind of thing.
Yeah, that's why it's called cellular.
So you got the SIM card in there, and you have another SIM card in here, kind of.
Yeah,
but it's
the same SIM card, so you don't have two numbers, still the same number, still the same data.
And then you can use WhatsApp and all that stuff.
But when I tell you I bought it by accident, because after I bought it, I realized I'm a pay-as-you-go customer, so I can't make it work. But I just kept it anyways, just in case in the future I decide.
By the way, guys, I just wanna. You guys know how the unboxing experiences are for me. I love boxes, and this box isn't looking too bad. Obviously, you guys know I actually did an unboxing on a clone Apple Watch as well, actually, the 7 series, and the unboxing experience and this is way more prestige and premium than that clone that I did. This is just absolutely amazing.
They do it by Apple. Also, just to mention, guys, it doesn't have the outside seal because I got the pick and match one, so where they build it in the store for you. So I chose the watch I wanted and then the strap, and then they built it for me, hence why it doesn't have the
Well, they can. Well, what Apple Store? The one of them.
Yeah, they literally you pick the watch clock you want, and then the strap out, all the straps you pick, and then they put it together.
So they put it together, put it in the box, and they give it to you.
Yeah.
And then they put it in this nice little contraption here.
Literally, yeah.
Wow.
If not, if you got it with the cling, you get the standard one, which is just black watch, black band, starlight, and grey, and then I think it's pink and
this is nice.
rose gold.
This is nice. Wow.
Yeah, so this is the first piece.
Yeah.
Comes in 2 boxes.
Wow, that's nice, man.
Yeah,
Got the
and that
strap.
loop,
Was
yeah.
this the color of the strap or?
Yeah, it's the color.
But this is the colorway.
Yeah, this one. You should see the colors they do. They do the sickest colors now. Look, all the colors here, they do.
So how did they know to stick this color wave on here?
I don't even know.
So basically, they have like loads of boxes with different colorways.
Yeah. Because if you go inside Apple to buy a band, you pick out of these. So there's bare of these on the shelf.
Right.
And then so it's already pre-made like this and stuff. And
so
this is how much it
basically,
costs. It costs £49 to buy a loop separately on its own.
So basically, you're not like they're not custom making it for you. You're just picking. Like a
they're
design.
already made and then they put it together. Yeah,
Right.
It's just like say if I said I wanted a different one of this one, then they would get a different one and then put it with this and then
Right.
yeah.
Guys, can we just pay attention? Look
To
at the details, bro.
It's like it's cold. And then on the back it just says watch.
That's nuts. That's sick, bro. That's sick. Guys, I'm not an Apple fan, but I mean, when satin looks good, I mean, when credit is due, you have to give the credit. You know what I mean?
And with Apple, I believe there's always credit for Apple.
Alright, so let's unbox the
the loop.
the strap first.
Let's see what is in there.
Let's see. Oh, sweet. Okay.
It's just falls out.
Ooh. God damn.
Ready for it.
God damn.
Oh my god.
It's like a little envelope.
So good.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
I wonder what it looks like.
Ooh,
Wow, no, that's popping. Are you guys seeing this?
That's like cloth feeling.
Yeah, it's very, very.
Feeling.
The material is amazing.
It's like cloth feeling, isn't it? Guys, check that out.
Very amazing.
That looks amazing. The color wave. I like the color wave.
Yeah, and the
So how do you get it off?
Light. I think you peel it. You have to like be a bit. Oh, okay. We'll start by taking this little sticker. You know, Apple. Wherever there's a way, there's a sticker.
Oh wow.
Oh, so that's the back and this the front. I feel like that would look so good on my brown
What is
skin,
this?
like,
it? Just one piece.
and
Just
then,
one piece.
But when you put it in, the way it loops is you'll see. Yeah.
What? Just one piece like this?
And then. But normally it's 2 pieces, but because of the strap it is.
It's stretchy, a little bit stretchy. It's a little bit
Because you got
stretchy.
them big arms, you know.
A little bit stretchy. I don't know how this is
So
gonna. How you're gonna?
it's so weird how it goes. This is gonna go on the watch. These 2 ends go on the watch, and then when you put it on your wrist, I think you're meant to wrap it, loop it. We'll have to figure it out.
This is
guys.
amazing. Oh, let's get into the
Yeah.
watch.
Oh, the most exciting piece. This is just a small part of it. Oh, just this tiny little loop. But
I don't even know how you open this thing, bro.
oh, firstly, what's this bit? This is very pink. Oh, I think. Oh, you already got the sides.
Hey.
Oh my god. Now
Got
we're
some
here for it.
paperwork.
Yeah, you already know.
Got some paperwork
the
and
manual,
things.
the guide.
Yeah, we don't
The which
really
best
use these things on this channel. We just
When you already know what it's saying,
Exactly.
like, you don't need to read
Exactly.
it. Like, why are you gonna waste your time?
What's this?
that's
Oh
the
my
charger,
god! It
yeah.
comes with it. Man said it comes with a
A little
charger as well.
magnetic charger.
The magnetic thing as well.
Yeah.
Woo!
Look at that, guys.
God
Clean. They are
damn.
so clean with it, aren't they? They are very clean with it. I have a little
Ooh.
case for it, guys. I should mention. But it's in
Case?
the car. Yeah, for this little.
Oh, well, you can put a case on there as well.
It's so tiny. It's so tiny. It's in the
Look
car.
at it
I'll
now.
put it
It's so small. This is tiny.
Literally, so tiny.
Guys, look at that. Flipping now. Look at this. That's
Very small.
tiny,
cute.
man.
That's the 40 milliliter one, guys. The men
What
tend to get
so the 40
44.
mil?
Yeah, the men tend to get 44 because 44 is bigger.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, but how
then-
much
yeah.
bigger is it
Oh,
though?
quite big. It's actually significantly bigger. It's like, yeah, about that. It surprises me how much bigger
Yeah.
it is.
That's
than
so
that one.
small.
It will probably
How are
take
you
up
gonna
my
be?
whole.
How you gonna be touching the
Oh,
thing?
when I tell you it's sick, it has this whole, you can talk to it now and you
Yeah.
draw instead of keypad.
Oh,
you just
shit.
draw A, B. It's so sick.
That's sick.
Very sick.
So how
So-
would you put it on that? Then?
Attaching it to the loop. So if I remember.
Guys, why she does that? Yeah, I just want to appreciate
There
the
is.
packaging. The packaging from Apple is just absolutely insane. Like, look at the whole packaging. It's just awesome. And then I like how I like what they've done with this charger. It's so nice, man. I'm guessing this is possibly USB-C, maybe. Is this USB-C? Oh no, normal USB. Normal USB. You can put this on your
Yeah.
bedside or whatever.
Actually, no, it's USB
Oh.
Type C, so it's faster. It charges
Yeah.
much faster. They've changed it.
That's
Charges
sick,
much
bro.
more faster, which is really good.
That's cool. That's sick. I like that. That's sick. I wonder how the magnet works. I wonder how it just.
I wonder if I'm gonna figure out how it.
Oh, wow.
works. Oh, is this it?
Oh.
I
Oh.
think this is it. So I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna put it on my left hand.
Oh, sugar.
Oh wow, that's very easy
And
to
then
put on.
you pull it and
Yeah,
strap
you
it.
literally just. Oh,
It's like Velcro.
literally like Velcro. Oh, I love that.
Velcro.
Oh wow.
You got the
wow.
nice
Let me
nice
just-
color.
Word.
Oh wow, it just sticks on.
Yeah, and it's so comfy. These are better than the other bands because these are comfy.
But the other ones go out the other way and then you have to strap them on.
Yeah, clip it and then put it back in.
But
all
this
of that.
one, it goes in your hand, it's secure.
Yeah.
And you can pull it.
And it
pull
feels
round.
comfortable, very comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing clothes.
God damn. Let me see. 1 second. Let me see if I got the
Wow.
weight on
It feels so light as well. Like it just feels really good.
here. Right, so guys, for comparison, yeah,
Oh, you have a little fake one.
I've got the clone. Remember, guys, when I unboxed the clone, I got the clone right here. So we're gonna have a little look.
Yeah.
See. So
this is
the
the
normal.
44. This is what the 44 means.
Right,
Yeah.
right, but
Compared
still,
to
I
this.
wouldn't really have this because I'm a guy that likes the watches with big faces, like
True.
really big
And also,
faces.
I think with most men, because they have bigger wrists as well, they tend to go
Yeah.
for.
Because it
Bigger
looks more nicer.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, you can see the difference there.
We are just
Definitely,
comparing
you
because
can definitely see the. Let's see.
there's a big difference in size when it comes to
Right, let's take
these
that
two
off.
between the 40 and 44.
You can see the difference between the 40mm and the 44mm. Look at that. You can see the difference.
So what is this fake one saying then?
I have no idea. It's just.
Have you tried it? Does it work?
No, it works. It works. But oh wow, look at that magnetic feature right there.
Literally, and that's how you charge
Just
it.
boom.
You just stick it on, and it's easiest
Charge
form
it.
of charging, to be honest. Then
That's cool. You can literally just have this on your bedside table when you're going to sleep. Just put it on,
clip
boom.
it on.
I'm pretty sure these things don't die very quickly or easily, do they?
No,
so
not at all. They
literally
last us
every
a long
night
time.
when you're about to sleep, take it off, boom, plop it on, and it charges. But yeah, guys, that's been the unboxing on the
I really like this.
Apple Watch
SE.
SE, and then
It's
yeah.
been fun.
it's
Definitely been fun.
yeah, unboxing the thing with the Sys and that.
You're very nice.
I'll be leaving links to our YouTube
Links
channel
on-
down in the description
most
section
definitely.
below.
Make sure you check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe. You're gonna see more of me. We're doing international. Yeah, you know, like that. We're intertwined.
And yeah, and we're gonna be
So,
starting a family channel as well
Yep.
at some point. I don't know
Coming
when.
soon. Oh my
Um,
god. Oh my god.
me,
Let me
the
have to
sis,
repeat. What's
the
that?
bro, the
Family
brother and
channel
thing.
coming soon. You already
yeah.
know.
But yeah. Right, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Yeah.
And
Peace.
thank you guys for watching. Before we leave, let me just
Thumbnail.
final look.
Oh
of
yeah,
the
yeah.
watch.
Your thumbnail.